Hi everyone, in today's easy tutorial I'm going to show you how to create custom built forms on WIX. Welcome to the channel, let's dive into it. So I have this blog homepage opened on WIX website editor, and first I'm going to add a simple form. To do that I just simply click on this add section on the left side menu, and here I'm going to select form. Here you can see all the pre-made form in our template. So I just select this one and drag it, and let's drop it just above the contact section. And I'm going to scroll a bit down. So to edit it, just simply left click on it. And let's say you want to change the title of your form. You need to click on this title twice, and let's write down a different title. So let's say ask me a question, and let's select this title, and by clicking on this fonts box you can change the font. So let's make it like this, and by simply playing with this slider you can adjust the font size. So let's make it a bit bigger. And here by clicking this color button you can change the color of your titles. You can make it black, white, and I'm going to continue with our red in our template. So let's close this tab, and here let's say you want to delete this subtext. You just need to simply click on it and then simply hit on the delete button from your keyboard to remove it. You can do the same thing for all these text fields. So let's say we don't want this last name field, just simply click on it and then tap delete on your keyboard to remove it. So here let's add a new field. To do that, just simply click on this add new field, and here you can see all the available fields that you can add to your form. So let's add a phone number and a birthday, and let's click on this birthday field and just simply drag and drop it into here. This looks nice. So let's say you want to make phone number mandatory. To do that, just click on this phone field and then select edit field, and here you can see all the text input settings. So let's click on just below the validations part you will see required and read only. So let's select required to make a phone number mandatory thing. So let's close this tab and let's click here once again. So here let's say you want to change the design of this form template. To do that, just click on this design button with little pen. So here you can see all the form designs that are available. So let's say if you want to change the design of your current form, you need to click on this custom design button, and here let's click on this input fields and let's click on this field color. So as you can see it's white right now, but you can change it into a black one, and also you can change the border color and change the border width. So let's add a bit more of this border stroke, and here also you can change the input text color. So let's make it white to type into a white color. So let's close this tab as well. And finally you can animate your form when the web page is loaded. To do that, just simply click on this animation button, and here you can select between different animations. You can select bounce in, glide in, or expand in, or float in. So I'm going to select fade in and just simply close this tab. And let's click here to close the editing mode. And that's basically how to create a customized form in WIX. So if you found this video helpful, tap the like and subscribe buttons to help others to find this video as well. Thank you for watching.